Before following the steps in this video, you should already be familiar with common AWS concepts such as regions and zones, S3 buckets, security groups, and EC2 instances. You should know how to design a template in CloudFormation and how to create a virtual private cloud, or VPC. For this demo, I have already created the following 3 stacks in CloudFormation: a virtual private cloud, a bare metal instance ready for VSC, and a jump host with MetroAE installed for interacting with the VPC. Using the PEM keys associated with that instance, SSH to the proxy or jump host. Change to the Nuage Metro directory. Inside the default deployments directory, we have a file for parameters that are common to all components, and files for each of the supported Nuage Networks components: VSDs, VSCs, vstats, VNS utils, and NSGVs. Let's take a closer look at the VSD file. Parameters include host name, VM name, target server type, target server IP, management IP, the prefix, management gateway IP, AWS region, AWS AMI ID, AWS upgrade AMI ID, AWS instance type, AWS key name, and AWS management ENI. We have a section for a second VSD, and of course a third. After you've entered all the values for your system, let the automation begin with a single command. Run the command /MetroAE install _everything. You'll see on the left when the VSD stacks have been created for you. Then the 3 Elasticsearch, or vstats, are created, 1 VNS util, and 1 NSGV. For all but the VSC, we are executing AWS-specific playbooks, but for the VSC, because we are on bare metal, we are executing KVM playbooks. On the CloudFormation dashboard, we see that our stacks for all of our components have been created. Let's log into the new VSD and look at the Monet summary to show that all services are running. And similarly, for VSC, we can verify that the connection to VSD is functional. With MetroAE and a single command, we deployed Nuage Networks components on AWS.